A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account where you can invest after-tax money with the purpose to be tax-free when you retire. The difference between this and a normal investing account is that you are limited to how much you can fund the account. This limit is called the contribution limit, and as of this year 2022, that limit is $6,000 per year, and if you are age 50 and above, you can actually contribute $7,000 per year. Meanwhile, the minimum age that you are able to withdraw without penalties on your earnings is 59 and a half. And these limits that I just discussed have consistently gone up in the past, and they are expected to continue rising in the future. Something nice is that you're always able to withdraw your contributions at any time penalty-free. But if you invest the money and you have earnings and you pull out before you're 59 and a half, you are going to have a big penalty, especially if there's not a specific reason for the withdrawal, such as a first-time home purchase or any medical reason, many other reasons. But if you do pull out before 59 and a half without any of those circumstances, you will be charged a 10% penalty fee and the taxes upon those earnings. Now, if you have or plan to start a Roth IRA, for this specific video on Fidelity, it will show you how much you have contributed so far and how much left you can add until you reach the limit. More details on this later in the video. Now, depending on your filing status, there is an income limit, which is something that determines whether or not you can even contribute to your Roth IRA or not. For example, as of 2022, if you file taxes as a single, you cannot contribute to a Roth IRA if your yearly income is greater than $144,000. And if you are married filing together, that number is $214,000. Roth IRAs can be extremely beneficial for you if you have many years ahead before retiring, because it allows you to have more time to compound and grow your portfolio, which is in the end result tax-free. When it comes to a Roth IRA, you have multiple options on how you want to manage this. You can first off choose your own to control it yourself. This is what I do. You can also do Fidelity Go, which is a way that Fidelity manages for you. And you could also contact a financial advisor. When it comes to managing your own Roth IRA, you can invest in stocks, funds, and pretty much any security that is similar to how a regular brokerage account, investing account, would trade. And another point is that you can start and invest into a Roth IRA at any age, even if you are below 18. All you need to do is start a custodial Roth IRA account and have an adult or legal guardian help you sign up and open that account with you. If you start early and take advantage of this account the right way, it could truly save you hundreds of thousands of dollars from paying taxes and help aid retirement for you. So let's begin with how to start a Roth IRA on Fidelity. Starting with the Fidelity homepage, you can see multiple tabs on the top. What you need to do is click on Products and then Retirement and IRAs. And if you scroll down just a bit, you will see multiple options to open up different IRAs. And for this, you need to click Open an Account under Roth IRA. This will take you to another page that requires you to fill out personal information in order to then create a username and password for your account. After this, from the homepage, you will click on Transfer from the top left area and select the bank of choice. If you haven't connected one yet, you're going to simply click on Link a Bank Account to Fidelity and fill out the information required. Once this is done, you will then be asked where you are going to be transferring the money. And for this case, we're going to be clicking on Roth IRA. Below that, you will see the contribution limit for that year and how much you have already done. For a Roth IRA, you can continue to fund the account up until the next official tax deadline, which right now this year is 2022. It would be April 18th, 2023. And it's typically in the future going to be around this time of April, but that would be the tax deadline that you can continue to contribute until. But going back to the transfer, after you type in the amount of money that you want with the proper bank account to pull it from, you can now click Continue and review it all at once to submit officially. Once submit, it will state that the funds will take 1 to 3 business days to go through. Now let's go over how to invest in your Roth IRA. And just so that you are aware, any of these investments I discuss are just examples and not personal advice from me to anybody to buy. Let's start off by clicking on Roth IRA. From here, it will show us how much we contributed and how much left we can fund. If you click on positions, you will be able to see all the investments that you own in this Roth IRA. Let's say that you've heard the S&P 500 is a great investment to buy and you want to purchase it on your Roth IRA and Fidelity. What you can do, because Fidelity has their own funds, many of them that you can search, if you just Google Fidelity 500 Index Fund, it will show up exactly what the ticker is that you need to search for on the Fidelity platform. So as you can see right here from Googling this, it will pop up Fidelity 500 Index Fund and the ticker symbol is FXAIX. What you're then going to do is go over to Fidelity and in the top right, search FXAIX and click on it. From there, it will lead you to a new page that gives you all of the information for the stock or fund that you are interested in purchasing. You can see the ratings, details about the fund, such as their expense ratio, which for this case is 0.015%, which is really cheap. You can also see what is in the fund. If you click on more, it will show all the investments that are inside of this specific fund. You can also see a fund overview with descriptions on additional information, and also the average annual returns year to date, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and 10 year quickly on the top right. If you were interested in learning more about Fidelity's index funds, I made an entire video, a step-by-step tutorial. Link is in the description below and a pop-up here to that video. I really think it could help you out and give you a better understanding on how to manage your Roth IRA investments, and I even go over specific ways to manage that portfolio with different options of what you could invest into. Since in a Roth IRA, you can purchase stocks or funds similar to a regular brokerage account. To buy this fund right now on your Roth IRA, simply hit buy on the top right, select what account you want this to be purchased in, for this case Roth IRA, select the action to buy, and type in the dollar amount that you want to purchase, then click preview order and hit place order to officially purchase this investment. It's important to note that with mutual funds, the purchase of the investment does not go in until the end of the market day when the market closes. If you want to look into other investments that you can purchase, simply click on news and research. As you can see, stocks, fixed income, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, multiple items that you can check out and learn more about if you really dive deeper into it. And if you have particular stocks or funds that you want to purchase on your Roth IRA, simply repeat this process by searching the ticker symbol in the top right of the Fidelity page and fill out the information you want to submit a purchase. Now, a nice tool that you can use for your Roth IRA and Fidelity is automatic investments. If you click on the top left and go to transfers, click on manage automatic investments. From here, click on schedule, a new transfer, and it will give you the option to set up a scheduled investment of any specific frequency of time with a specific investment. You can also see the option to set up a recurring transfer, which if you do this, it allows you to pull a set amount of money from your bank account at a specific frequency. What I like about this is, say that you're working and even have a full-time job and you want to reach that max contribution of $6,000 per year as of this year, 2022. That would be $500 per month. If you set up a recurring transfer from your bank account to go to your Roth IRA of that much every single month, it'll automatically do it for you. It'll be nice and easy, and you could even set up automatic investment purchases that can do the work entirely for you. As far as the automatic investment, instead of having to utilize the recurring transfer, you could do an automatic investment from an external bank account going to your Fidelity Roth IRA for this example. If you click continue, you'll be able to see the opportunities that you can do within this. So you can see right here, mutual funds you own and what kind of ones you want to have automatically invest. Fidelity 500 index fund, let's just say, and you want to invest $250, and we'll talk about the frequency in a second, but this is going to go into your Roth IRA account from, as you see right here, whatever bank account you have linked that you want it to connect from. So now that we have the bank account that it's going to transfer from, and we have the investment that we want to have recurring, so we want $250 in the Fidelity 500 index fund, now we're going to schedule what time and frequency we want to do this. You can see right here the day of the month and which day you would like to select, up to you. The frequency, monthly, quarterly, you can select this and do a custom schedule as well. And you can also see below that where it says stop date that you can input an exact date that you want this to stop doing automatic investments for you. So now I want to take a step back and show you exactly how I can see my situation and how you can do it for yours. Click on accounts and trade, click on transfers, and then you're going to click on manage automatic investments again. And then you're going to get to the page where it shows you right here if you have any automatic investments or recurring transactions. It will explain it right here at the front. For me, it is coming from my Roth IRA account. That is going to be $250 going to FXAIX, the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. And this is scheduled monthly on the first of every month with no stop date as of right now. Although I do diversify my Roth IRA a specific way, I believe that having it automatically invest in the S&P 500 is a solid approach, even though I'm not a financial advisor. As a whole to investing in a Roth IRA on Fidelity, remember that you have a contribution limit, which limits the amount that you can fund the account every single year. For right now, as of 2022, that is $6,000 per year. If you're 50 and older, that is $7,000. Don't forget that you can also invest into any securities of your choice. In fact, PayPal's co-founder Peter Thiel purchased PayPal stock in his Roth IRA and is famously known for this because he was able to build a $2,000 Roth IRA into now roughly $5 billion, which is tax-free. But don't forget, if you withdraw earnings from your Roth IRA, you are going to be penalized 10% of a fee and also have to pay taxes on that, unless you meet a specific criteria that can allow you to avoid the penalty. With that being said, my name is Danny, and if you are interested in money talk content like this, definitely consider subscribing to the channel for future videos, and don't forget to hit that like button while you're at it.